Bubbz. Woo! Dee and Bubbz. Like, subscribe and share. That's Dee and Bubbz. Woo! Dee and Bubbz. Like, subscribe and share. That's Dee and Bubbz. Woo! Needs and loves. Like, subscribe and share. That's Dee and Bubbz.
Big up on the set! Hey guys, you done us Bubbla in the building with promo Big Up on Yourself. Get the merch, get the merch. You don't know Positive Thoughts by Bubbz. About to make movements. See, partner in crime is not here. Just waiting on her. She said she's going to the bathroom and thing. But I'm gonna link up the killy them on the ends tomorrow. Another surprise in the cut. I hope everybody is enjoying our vlogs. Please make sure you like, comment, share, tell a friend. With all that being said, no further ado, we're about to touch the road. Journey with me. Introduced it already.
Hey guys.
Yeah, after she took 2 hours and didn't bring me no water.
Took 2 hours to do what?
To come at the house.
No, I didn't. Don't do that to me.
That's Goliath. Strength.
But we can insert it. Oh, okay. Where are we going?
I dropped my bag. I'm going this way.
I don't think I can go that way, but I'll try. Alright.
Because I can't do this.
Oh, yeah, me.
But you're doing it on this leg, so that's why we should go this way.
Okay. Get it off, get it off, get it off, get it off.
Since they made me come in the supermarket, I guess we're doing it for the vlog.
Hello.
Who got the great Bubbla?
You alright?
Everywhere we go. Everywhere we go.
I hear you, you know.
London, England, America, Jamaica.
Happy night.
What we're doing is we're shopping for our second trip to the villa.
I'm not eating, I'm lactose intolerant.
So we shopping, guys. I don't know what am I pick up. Oh, let me get myself a water.
Honey, we're home.
Welcome back home.
Now you're gonna see I'm done.
Smile up.
Swear to God.
I know my phone.
People,
Hi,
you don't know.
welcome to my home.
I have 2 songs for play.
I'm drunk.
God go.
Britney. Oh, glad. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Buklad. Trouble. No joke.
I'm I'm on a level. The liquor I'm up here, we have me here, I'm a soft bubble. Bumpers roll.
Muscle shaking. Chef Randy in the kitchen. And Chef Fix.
One face.
Okay.
Hold on there. Martin, let's say I can't lie. Money make girl not me gone wild.
You wanna put it
Man, I need to start life. Run to make the guy that brings up in the far side. This and this the far side. You want something roll out.
Hey.
What's in my
Pull
cup?
up.
Rum.
Okay.
Body beef and burn.
Alright. Let me see it. Alright. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
Hey, we have a food competition.
Food competition.
That's what you have got here.
We got the curry chicken. Well seasoned up. Probably know a skyscraper I cook him up. Yeah.
Show what you right man, you can't check that.
Bully beef I cook up.
You don't know about it. Alright, you want the next one, Bubbla?
Give me.
Oi, oi. Shara. Bubbz. Share the rice. There's some curry chicken. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 18 around the corner and there's 19 in him on. You know, it's a skill, it's a talent. But yeah, especially rice. You know, it's easy to get rice wrong. And we do it. That's the shot. Hey. Must have look.
When the food I share, I say after that. I'm hungry now, so I food I cook, you know what I'm saying? Brittany, welcome to Jamaica, baby.
So we're turning the pool into a big bubble bath. We got the Radox on deck.
Why would I go?
Bad.
That nigga full up, full up down there like when you're on your bun. Man, squeeze up down there.
But it looked like they started out okay and then it just got worse. Not like a warm up, not nothing.
So, Richie cooked the broad bean cooked?
Butter bean.
Butter bean and starfish. Clean Sweet cooked baked bean and starfish. Let's see who's tastes better. I'm a John side, so what are they? It's I. Now for the butter. Wait, butter and starfish.
Chicken. I say it still.
Me a fuck right.
Why, Papa? Yeah.
Steve, you there?
No.
Right there.
Oh, Steve there.
Am I entertaining or
Yeah, if I do it fast.